The rainbow is rainbowing. Oh boy, now there's one behind me. I don't know why I'm nervous. I'm not a NASA security risk. Excuse me, sir. Can I help you? Look at this guy's new setup for today's trip. All right, let's hit the road. All right, so we're off on another adventure, but first I have to make a quick pit stop and watch my son play a tennis tournament. He's in the semifinals, so let's go do that, and then we're gonna head out and do some snowbirding. All right, my boy won. He took third place in the tournament, got his medal, and now we're gonna go look at some birds. Drives that I absolutely love when there's no traffic, especially this time of day. By the way, it is the next morning. I decided I didn't feel like filming yesterday, and I just wanted to have a relaxing evening, get caught up on some editing. I got my latest video posted. So now we're gonna go look for some birds. In fact, there's a specific bird that is very rare to Florida. I think there's only been like a handful of sightings in Florida over the years. So fingers crossed, I don't think it's been seen in a few days, but we are hoping to spot it. So if we do, you will be the first to know, besides me. I just gotta pay for my admission since my National Parks Pass expired. Right, apparently there are no self-pay envelopes available, so good morning, little bird friends. Do you guys remember snipe hunts? That's an actual snipe. We're here just after sunrise. We've already seen a Wilson's snipe and a bunch of egrets. I'm hoping to see some spoonbills and reddish egrets. Those are two of my favorite birds here. And of course, you know, I'm always on the hunt for bobcats and coyotes. This has been the weirdest weather lately. It wasn't supposed to rain at all today. Look at the rainbow. It's so vivid, holy smokes. Pretty. The rainbow is rainbowing. I am so glad I waited until today, because yesterday was not as good. Bathroom break time. Oh, there's fish jumping out there, but I don't know if I'll be able to get it on camera. Does that count as a bobcat sighting? The rainbow's still hanging around. See if we want to do a little hike in a minute to look for some Florida scrub jays. Well, the only thing I got on that trail was a blood smear all over my shirt from mosquitoes. The birds are not cooperating this week, but we're gonna head to the next place. What the heck? It's starting to rain again. This is the weirdest day. There's not even any clouds. Woo, another rainbow. Double rainbow. Whoa, that's the end of the rainbow right there in front of us. Cool. That's the most vivid rainbow I've ever seen, and it's a complete one. Let me see if you guys can get the whole thing in there. How cool is that? Be finding the birds I'm looking for, but the rainbows are coming right and left, so that's kind of cool. Sometimes we can see dolphins and manatees along the water on this drive, so hopefully I'll get to see some cool stuff for you. If it's even open, I'm not sure if they've reopened the drive since the hurricanes, but we'll see in a moment. All right, it's open, and they actually have the day passes available here, so I'm gonna get one. This is a 6-mile drive. I think the Black Point Wildlife Drive that we just did is about 6 or 7 miles too. Up ahead there on the right, oh, hold on, let me turn. In that clearing there is the launch pad for Kennedy Space Center. It's a beautiful morning. I think I'll go outside. I'm pleasantly surprised by the condition of the road. They must have done quite a bit of work after the hurricanes. I heard it was a mess. Not seeing a ton of wildlife on this drive, but it is very pretty still. We're now officially in Cape Canaveral National Seashore boundaries, which is part of the Refuge too. But Biolab Road exits out at Cape Canaveral National Seashore. So I'm gonna keep my eyes peeled for scrub jays because this is another popular spot for them. And then we're gonna head back more into the main part of the refuge to hit a couple more little side roads and see what we can see. And then I think I'm gonna do Black Point one more time before I wrap it up here. And I need to stop for lunch. I'm thinking a nice big turkey and bacon and avocado sandwich with provolone. Oh, there's a little armadillo. I know you guys couldn't see it, but it was there. All right, you guys tell me if you see any scrub jays. I'm seeing lots of NASA security vehicles coming through. I don't know what the heck is going on. Oh boy, now there's one behind me. I don't know why I'm nervous. I'm not a NASA security risk. Circle back to this trailhead for oak and palm hammock trails in a little bit and maybe even have our lunch there. But first we're heading to a little side road called Peacock's Pocket. I don't know why it's called that. I've never seen a peacock there, but the last few times I've come through here, this road was closed. But I have seen lots of snakes. I've seen a coyote on this road before, and then at the dead ends, there's sometimes like spoonbills and other birds, so we shall see. I'm not expecting anything at this point because I'm not having the best luck again, but I'm not giving up yet. Stop in the middle of the road. Now it looks like it might start actually raining with real rain clouds. I don't like all these turtles in the road all of a sudden, and there's people behind me, so I can't get... Here comes the rain again. Sure if the sky is working on rainbow number 3 for us or what, but this is a weird day considering there was like a 0% chance of rain. Excuse me, sir. Can I help you? Oh boy, this is getting ridiculous. I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up here. I will make sure to insert my favorite photos, so watch all the way till the end. I don't think you need to see me eat my sandwich. At this point, the weather is ugly, the rain is getting louder. I'm just gonna eat my lunch and then head on to the next place, and I'll see you again soon for another vlog.